Good afternoon, our melanated tribe. Guys, my name is Nay.
I'm Key.
Welcome this evening. We hope you guys are staying COVID safe. Today we bring to you a DIY. Oh, I was using it. Okay. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, ladies and gents. Wherever you are located around this world, Saturn. Okay. Good. Hey, start over. Okay. Good evening, everyone. All of my beautiful people out there, plants, animals, things of every breathing organism. We thank you for tuning in. Today we have a DIY at-home face mask. It requires no sewing machine. All you need is a little time, an old t-shirt, and your favorite pair of stabbing utensils. I'm tired of this.
I think I'm gonna get her reported. Guess what we have? So, I want to just say that we need to spend more time. Oh, yes. Say it again.
Supporting our
young entrepreneurs, our local businesses, those businesses that you see people putting their time and creativity and effort into their products. Those are the companies that we have to start supporting.
Exactly. Because it's time for these small businesses to, have the opportunity to have whatever they want.
And honestly, I feel like anybody that's putting in hard work should have whatever they want. If you are actually, broadcasting, on your social media, just posting your stuff, just showing your things off and, showing your dedication, I feel like, that hard work should be paid off.
And it's going to. That's why you keep going.
Exactly. You don't stop. Even let me say this, okay? Even if it's hard, even if you only have one customer, even if you only have one view, that's okay. You keep going. I don't care if it takes you 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years. Your hard work will pay off. You reap what you sow. So don't stop.
It's COVID and we're really working. Everybody ain't got all the fun, so let's just support each other by sharing and helping spread the word, because one word turns into 2, and 2 turns into 20, 20 turns into 200. So
okay,
let's take this time to support. If we can't support financially,
we are going to shout out Miss Twane. I went to high school with Miss Twane. I don't know, Twane to me was a very quiet person, very sweet. And I think that her business is going to go pretty far. Just from me, watching her on, her social media sites. You can check her out on Facebook, which she is called LunarPlexus. And then you're going to do a : the brand. You can find her on Facebook.
And we'll insert her link.
Absolutely. And then on Instagram, it's going to be at luna.rplexus. So pretty much, let me just tell you about her business. She sells all natural, plant-based skincare, hair care, and body care products. So each of these products, she handcrafts them. And we're going to insert a video from just, some of her things that she posts on her Facebook or maybe on her Instagram. But we're going to post something just so you can see. I think that, she takes her time, with these videos. It looks very peaceful. She creates this peaceful vibe. So I would definitely...
She puts self into it.
Yes, I would definitely purchase, which I need to. I need to definitely make a purchase.
And we're going to have all her information in the description. It's going to be a beautiful thing. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I love what she's doing. And we like to start doing this. So if you have a business, Instagram, DM us, Facebook, comment it below, email us, send it to us, and we're going to dedicate some time. We're going to get your stuff out there because, hey,
exactly.
Who knows, out of these views, at least 1 or 2 people is going to be interested.
Absolutely. And you have to remember that you have to start somewhere. You're not always going to start at the top. You have to start somewhere and work yourself, work your way up. and it's not going to be easy. If it was easy, why would you want it? So guys, we're going to get started into this video, and I'm going to follow Kiana's lead because, you know,
I'm going to start by taking a old t-shirt. Make sure it's clean because we are going to use this for our face. Mine got a few grease stains, but it's clean. And you want to pick a shirt that has a pretty good size sleeve, and you want to cut along the seam. I think that's the right phrase. I'm not sure. But you want to cut along this. So let's go ahead and do that now. This sleeve cut out. It's going to look like this. You're going to want to take this side.
I'm going to have to switch my eggs because...
And you're going to want to you want to spread it. And the goal is to line this seam, or whatever it's called. Y'all know what I'm saying. This middle part that makes it connect, makes the fabric pieces connect. You want to lay it flat. And you just want to get this straight as possible because you're about to cut the sides out.
And
The next thing you want to do is you want to take your scissors. Listen closely. You want to take your thumb and put it at the ends of this, or whatever finger you want to put. Because we need to fold this in about 1 inch. So, pay attention. Okay, so shut this damn thing. Take it, and you fold it. You should be here with it. Where? Here. It's... Oh, the other side? Please look at Beth over there. This side? Yes. Okay. And you want to take your scissors, and you're going to need to make 3 holes. And make them pretty even because this is what's going to scrunch that side on together. That's what you're going to need to protect your nose. So you definitely want to do one at the bottom. Just a little slit. You want to slit it?
Okay, so...
Yeah, do a little slit. Is as big as ever. I don't even know whose shirt this is. So I'm just gonna cut along, that was country, along this line, and this is gonna be my 2 strings. So just do what I say.
All right, so...
This is what you should be left with. The bottom. So you're going to want to take this, and if you need to define your holes a little bit more, do so. But if you got time for all that, just lay it down. I promise it's going to go through if you made a hole. So you now want to, shoot. Then you're going to take this crucial part, man, and you're going to weave it through them holes you made on the sides. See? And you put it through that one. And you're going to pop it through the second one. And then you're going to pop it through the third one. You see where we're going with that thing? So, you're going to take it and draw straight that thing. Tie it up like that. Feel me? Scrunch it up on the sides. And if your string's too flimsy, you feel me? Work like that. Pull it in with your hands. And you're gonna pull it out. Ooh. You're gonna want to figure out where you need to cut this at. So that you can make sure it's tight on your face. And I'm sure if you use a regular t-shirt, this t-shirt is pretty flimsy. So make sure you cut it at an appropriate length so it won't be sliding everywhere.
These masks help you remember to stay safe, sanitize, and wash your hands.
I kind of like it.
Bye.
I kind of like it, guys. And you can do it, you know, scrunch it up if you need to. You can mess this whole thing up and do it all over again.
And you don't have to buy anything.
Okay.
If you don't got scissors, take a pin and poke a hole with it.
And just adjust it to your face. If it's too scrunched up, pull it out. Adjust it.
Adjust.
And all you need to do, of course it's gonna be hot. If it's too hot up, pull it down some. Okay, so yes guys, this is our mask, our DIY mask at home. We just want to say thank you so much for, you know, participating, watching this. Like we said, it's simple, easy, you know, quick, put it on your face. And this, you can wash this, wash it, simple and easy. And it doesn't have to be,
You know, so pretty because, honey baby, it's a mask. So, make sure you make your mask stay safe and always remember to. There you go. And, is that a little pocketbook? You crazy. Is that a little pocketbook I said? Idea. You was crazy. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching our video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright, bye y'all.